Omni God Goku Super Saiyan 3. This is a fan art, I am pretty sure. So pretty cool. Shout out to, I think it's Mitchell406. So very, very cool. Yeah, I'm looking at Dragon Ball noses. It's amazing the different way people draw noses. Anyway, landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause. If I go too fast, we're going to start at the center point of our page with the frown. Super Saiyan 3, no eyebrows. So we just tick a line going up this way, and then it kind of hooks around the back for the brow, like so. So that's the kind of shape we're dealing with. Then we do the same thing pretty much on the other side. Tick up this way. We kind of make him kind of a mirror image. Like this will be under like his hair a little bit, so you mightn't even see this bit. So, but we'll draw it in as best we can because we might see it. Right, and then he has like some frowning, sort of hatching lines here. So typical Dragon Ball eyes, we got a short line, we got a diagonal long line, and then you join those together with a kind of curved line going that way. Do the same thing on this side, short line coming down close to the nose, and then a diagonal line, and then you join those together with a curved line like so. Okay. Eyes. So we go half circle from underneath the eyebrow. Pupil real small, looking up, black half circle there. In the fan art, his eyes are done different. There's like red and blue, but I think I'll do sort of standard Omni God eyes, dark around here maybe. Yeah, I think I'll do them like the glowing white thing. I think I prefer that. Right, so we'll do the half circle then coming down here. And then the pupil. Like so. Right, and then nose, so we got this sort of curved sort of hook line down like that. And he does have like some wrinkles on his nose and stuff. And in Dragon Ball, we always draw the shadow in on the side of the nose. Like so. Lots of different ways of doing Dragon Ball noses. And his mouth, so he's like gritting his teeth, you know, he's angry and stuff, so it just comes across like so. We open it up down the side and then back around the bottom. And then for teeth, we just add like a little sort of line like so on either side, and then some hatching underneath his bottom lip. He's got some mouth lines on the side. Now remember, hit pause if I go too fast. And then he has some hatching lines on his cheeks, right? So these sort of things that Dragon Ball characters have on their cheeks. Like so. Chin then. He's got a big chin in this, but we'll do, yeah, we'll go square enough sort of chin here, right? Then we go for the jaw up the sides, so we go diagonal to there. And you're stopping sort of like underneath the corner of his eye and like across in the mouth. Because that's where it like turns up for the side of his head. So we go up the side of his head there. And then up the side of his head here. So, loads of hair fringe coming down from here, right? So we got one starting here, comes down across his head. Two long ones going this way, so like long one to about there. Like that, and then we got like some hairlines just underneath. And then a really long one going this way. Back into here. So it does cover like that part of his hair or his eye a little bit. So then we have these two X's that like combine, right? So, or it's like a W and an M if it was viewed upside down. Anyway, we got like, so this sort of W, say, here, okay? And then this has, it's red on the inside, right? So we got to do the outside line here, across to another sort of M shape, like that. And then this goes up that way. So see what I mean? It's like a W and then an M on the bottom. And then we have a diamond just sort of in the middle here. Right? You can put scratches on his face as if he's been battling. Like so. So what we can see was ears just kind of sticking out this way. Big ears in Dragon Ball is sticking out quite wide. Same on this side. Like so. And then ear lines just inside there. And we can see like a little bit of his hairline. So his like sideburn to be here, and it just comes up around into there. Sort of the same. So his sideburn connects to the ear usually. It's like in the same place, and then the same sort of thing here. Goes down like to the middle somewhere there. Right, so big Super Saiyan 3 hair situation going on, coming over his shoulders and then going in behind his shoulders. So we'll do the bits that's like over his shoulders first. So large spiky lines coming out from behind his ear, and then they gradually get like sort of even bigger, right? There first, and then say like they're kind of doing wave, sort of wavy. Another one then. And then another one here. Here, and it will go off the top of my page because, you know, it's crazy. Super Saiyan 3 hair is massive. One's in the middle. Comes down there. Right, and then all in behind as well, more. Layers upon layers of hair. This one will go like behind his shoulder here somewhere. And then we gotta do like some more just going in this way. There, and kind of, there'll all be texture there and everything. It's going off this way. One going that way. And then out from behind that one. And then these like are like in behind his shoulder somewhere. Okay. So textures all over those. So you basically just like follow the spike shape, adding sort of these sort of texture lines, right? And you just do that all over. Right. Boom and boom. Okay, so anatomy and clothing and stuff. So his blue t-shirt is kind of ripped and torn, coming across the front of his chest here. So it's the typical Goku kind of kimono / gi thing. It's gi, isn't it? That's what it's called. Right, and then his chest, so say like his chest muscles will be here. And it's kind of like a loose fitting shirt, right? But you can just roughly see like the chest muscles there. And the side of his body sort of bumps down this way. Okay, so you can make out sort of the shape now. And then he's got his sleeves of his t-shirt here for his shoulder. So these sort of bumps for the sleeve. And again, ripped and torn like that. And then same on this side. And ripped and torn. Okay. So some more anatomy inside here. So his chest comes up this way, real muscular, goes across towards the shoulder, and then we have another muscle line here. Chest comes across this way, and maybe another muscle line there. And then his neck muscles kind of connect to your jaw, right? So they go down towards the center of your chest from the sort of jaw area. And sometimes more muscle lines there. And then like maybe like another one just going that way. And some trapezius muscle lines sort of there. Some like on top of his chest here. So we have another tear in his shirt here. Zigzag sort of tear lines just all here. And then all fold lines coming across the chest. So folding lines are just to show the fabric is kind of being pulled in different directions across his body. And that's what they're for. Okay. And then we can see some more Omni God markings. This bright red stuff on his chest. There's like a circle here. But you can just see it in behind the tear there. I think it goes down his arms as well. Okay, so for the rest of his arms, we can just see his like tricep sticking out this way, bicep going down that way, like they're out to the side, and then maybe like some shoulder muscle, other side of the bicep, tricep, and then that red line that comes down his arm. Right, and then same on this, pretty much what you can fit in anyway. Tricep going that way, bicep there, bicep line. I think we can see his forearm on this side. Like that, and then that red muscle line. And maybe like some shoulder muscle things there, and some scratches and stuff. And then I think we can see some more hair just coming down here. Now remember, hit pause if I'm going too fast. So these are just like hairlines that textures on them as well. Like so. And then like if you want like scratches and stuff. Like that. Omni God Goku Super Saiyan 3. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, textures on his fringe. Forgot that. That was close. Now this is the last step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.